Something private, unique and quality finishes in Midstream Heights, in the bigger Midstream estate. I want to show you this beautiful gem that is located in the heart of Midstream Heights and consists of 5 bedrooms, 3 garages, open plan living areas, staff accommodation, and like I mentioned, very private. We got a street front here and I'm facing north. The house is built with a northern entrance and you live out to the north. So very important. If you're looking for privacy, quality, this is the property that you need to call me on. This property covers a floor coverage of under roof nearly 560 squares. The land is 1,000 square meters. This house will go in the market for 11,775,000 rand. I'm standing at the front door of this beautiful property, and as I'm showing there, opposite the road is a beautiful landscape park. So easy access just across the road to a beautiful park. Let me show you the inside of this property. We've got 3 garages, 2 on this side, 1 on this side. Both enter direct into the property. And I'll show you the inside of the garages now. While we're standing here, the first garage on this side do have your inverter system, the batteries, and full solar that's already installed. You'll also notice that there's a staircase going up in this garage, and then that's a dual purpose for storage, or when we're upstairs, then I will show you the gym room that's slash storage space on top of the garage. Entering here, you've got a private enclosed study room and a lot of doors opening up onto this pool area. Remember, it is winter time with us, so the grass is a bit not totally green, but we got a lot of cold mornings already, so that's why the grass is going a bit down. So while you're sitting in your office, you can open up these doors, beautiful natural flow of air, and then also opens up onto this private study at your front door with air conditioning if you want to enjoy a beautiful work session at home. Your powder room, separate enclosed door, and then also you'll see unique quality tiles that's being used as features in this property. Coming to this side, our first bedroom also used as bedroom number 5, and your guest bedroom downstairs. Private entrance with this glass doors, TV fitted, and then also beautiful space, high cupboards, and an ensuite shower, basin, and toilet. And again, another door opening up onto this living area. I'll show you now the upstairs, but you'll notice that this house is built like in a U shape. Another set of doors opening up onto the entertainment area. Coming into the living area, kitchen, and the heart of this property. Nice cozy fireplace that's been positioned, this combustion oven positioned in such a way to spread maximum heat. Separate scullery with space for all your appliances. And then a walk-in pantry, space for your fridge here. And like I mentioned, 1, 2, 3, even a 4th appliance for your dishwasher. The higher volume ceilings, and then this beautiful kitchen with a combination of wood and the colors that you do have soft closes, straight through the property in the kitchen. Enough workspace, cupboards, and beautiful lights installed. Loose standing SMEC, gas and electrical, induction oven, and then something that's unique to this property, the Special Dover oven that works with anthracite or coal or wood, but this is operating, so you can cook on this, and it's also a dual purpose to heat up this room. Some other features, enough plug points. You'll notice that there's a lot of extra workspace and special fittings and features in this kitchen. Coming to this side, your breakfast nook, and this wood finish on the stops definitely make a difference and just give a bit of heat and a nice feel into this kitchen. Then we've got a entertainment room that also have a sliding door on this side that you can close or open, and then a full wine cellar display on the one side with a beautiful patio table set that is ready to be fit even a 10-seater or 12-seater, enough space for you to utilize this. A big open, as we call it, a Jan braai, with enough space for your braai wood, and so you can cook, make your potjie while you're having a braai, and have your fire burn on the one side while you're busy entertaining. Also the exposed trusses in this room with the beautiful lights that's also been selectively chosen by this owners. Then another center island with workspace, your prep bowl, display cupboards, TV point, place for your fridges, and another set of cupboards and like a small bench to sit here. I want to mention also that take note on all these doors as folding stacking doors. This, we haven't opened up anything, but for you to see the display, you have this open feeling from that side to this and from here to there. And while you're entertaining, you can enjoy this whole big space, yard space. If you're looking for yard space for the kids to play, look at this beautiful space here. Then in the center of this this house here, we do have this pool that's heated, and that generate or maximize the time that you can utilize this even a little bit deeper into winter. And it's nicely positioned with all the natural sun coming in. This is one of these wild olive trees while we're standing next to it, and it's also positioned in a way that when the sun sets to the west, that you'll have nice natural shade in the afternoon. Privacy, both sides of the property. Even this house is living out to the northeastern side, so as you can see, there's nobody looking down onto your private living area here. It's only a few small windows, and that's one important thing for Midstream. They want you to live private and secure. So you'll notice that those windows on this side is frosted, so you cannot see through. Let's go and have a look upstairs. Before we're going upstairs, let me show you this open patio area with the sliding doors, that while you're busy cooking or entertaining, everybody feels part of the family. So the enclosed while the friends sitting here and you busy cooking and your husband having the braai on that side, everybody, and the kids swimming, everybody is part of each other. So It is a nice open plan living. Let's look upstairs. You'll notice also the amount of cupboards, the frameless balustrades, glass balustrades, and then also the features of this wooden laminate flooring. That's also beautiful. The architect utilized the amount of light to maximum capacity. You'll notice this from all over natural light coming in. The main bedroom is on that side, and then we still have 3 bedrooms, ensuite on this side, and a private lounge or private study room. Let's look at the first bedroom. All of them ensuite. Bedroom number 1, higher ceilings, built-in cupboards, even a small ceiling fan in here, and full bathrooms, shower, basin, toilet, and then even from that special mirrors with the light function that you can switch on. Gibberer toilets straight through and floating vanities. Coming here to bedroom number 2. You'll notice the natural sunlight coming in. Your dresser area, high ceilings, again your aircon, ceiling fan, small study desk built in, and then this one got a shower, a basin, and a toilet. Bedroom number 3. Also enough space, air conditioning, exactly the same. The quality on the finishes, they haven't stopped. They went the extra mile with this finishes in this property. Again, this one shower, basin and toilet, floating vanities, and enough cupboard space. Another study desk at the entrance here. So this private lounge area can be utilized as a playroom, study room, whatever you want to use it for. But it's a beautiful open space that is private, that can be enclosed. High ceilings, and then also lots of natural light coming in. Let's look at the main bedroom. As you can see, also your view from this side here, so private, but I'll show you on the balcony that you can have a beautiful view from the balcony. The amount of cupboard space entering the main bedroom, the amount of cupboard space. It's not only this, you got cupboards on this side as well. And high ceilings, beautiful open main bedroom with your air conditioning fitted. And like I mentioned, the extra set of cupboards, like a walk-in space. You even got one of these heater lights for winter time to make it effective. And I can feel the heat. Entering the main ensuite, beautifully finished, loose standing bath, hand shower, walk-in shower, enough space, and then one of these heater lights again with a big his and hers vanity, and a bit of a separate toilet, and even a cupboard that is installed for your towels. So remember I mentioned the staircase at the bottom of the garage, the double garage that's going up for storage, or this is being utilized as a gym room. Ideal, beautiful. So you got your air conditioning fitted here, TV point with this exposed trusses, You can do your boxing, your cycling, your weights. Everything is nicely positioned here, and you still got natural sunlight and fresh air that can come in, and your staircase going into your double garage. So if you want to use it as storage and you're not considering this as a gym room, this is ample cupboard space or storage space that you can maximize here. So let's capture this property. So we got this property going in the market for 11,775,000 rand, and then there's a 5-bedroom all ensuite, private study or private lounge area upstairs, open plan built in a U shape with this extra beautiful kitchen, luxury finishes, separate scullery, walk-in pantry, 3 garages, solar, inverter, batteries, staff accommodation, and beautifully private location. When you're ready to buy and you're looking for something special, this is your property. Call me, subscribe, and follow for more.